I think consistency is one of the biggest keys to success.
I agree because small efforts every day create big results.
Many people start with excitement, but stop too soon.
Yes, talent is useful, but consistency keeps progress alive.
A person who practices daily improves faster than someone who practices only sometimes.
That is true in studies, sports, business, and personal growth.
Consistency builds discipline.
Discipline helps us continue even when motivation is low.
Motivation comes and goes, but habits stay stronger.
Good habits make success feel possible.
If we work a little every day, we reduce stress.
We also avoid last-minute pressure.
Consistency teaches patience.
Success usually takes time and steady effort.
People sometimes fail because they expect quick results.
But real achievement is built step by step.
Even reading 10 pages a day can change a person over time.
Even saving a small amount of money regularly can create wealth.
Consistency also builds confidence.
When we keep promises to ourselves, we trust ourselves more.
That trust makes us stronger.
It also helps us face challenges bravely.
Consistency does not mean being perfect every day.
It means returning to the goal even after mistakes.
Missing one day is not failure.
Giving up completely is the real problem.
Successful people are often ordinary people with steady routines.
They keep doing the right things again and again.
A student who studies daily will be ready for exams.
An athlete who trains daily will perform better in competitions.
A business owner who serves customers consistently earns trust.
Trust is very important for long-term success.
Consistency makes goals clear in our mind.
It reminds us what we are working for.
I want to become more consistent in my daily life.
Start with one small habit and repeat it every day.
That sounds simple and practical.
Simple actions become powerful when done regularly.
So consistency is more important than doing something only once with great energy.
Exactly. Steady effort is the path that leads to success.